Oh, they don't call it Leviasynth for no reason. It's times like this that I wish I went to the gym instead of just played with synthesizers. Oh man, even with my widest lens and my tallest tripod, this thing barely fits. Let's get it opened up. So I know what you're thinking, where's Ruffles the cat? Well, he is on holiday at his grandparents' house, but I'll make sure to save the box for when he gets back in 2 days. So we can't have a synth unboxing video without Ruffles the cat's opinion on the box. Oh, right on. We get a thick printed manual with some swag. Love to see that. This thing feels like it would pass the apartment toss test. Don't worry, we're not gonna find out. At least not in this video. Alright, so you just heard Leviasynth, and I wanted to start off with a patch like that because everyone's going to be thinking of this for the super complex, digital, pristine FM sounds, which it can absolutely do. But one of the things I was most interested about it for versus something like Hydrasynth is the addition of an analog filter, and even more importantly, this analog pre-drive, like being able to hit that analog filter. This synth has some of the most interesting and multi-stage gain staging options I've seen, and that sound you heard was really showing off just how much you can just make this synth not sound like a digital algorithmic synth. Quick disclaimer before we go any further, ASM sent me Leviasynth to check out and make a video on, so thank you to them. Take from that what you will. But yeah, what I want to do over the course of this first impressions video is just show you what it would be like to sit down at. And for me, the first thing I want to do is try to make a bass. Here I'm starting with algorithm 2, which is one of the most basic FM algorithms. I'm not going to look into custom algorithms today because that's just way too much for first impressions, but stay tuned for my deep dive video where I will go into that. This bass sound is super simple and it's one I design all the time in Serum, but in Serum I don't have access to this beautiful analog filter and analog filter pre-drive. The other thing I'm really excited to try is the reverb, so let's just start with a sine wave and see how ambient we can get. You can go as crystalline as you want, but it can also do a whole bunch of other things. Before we move on, no, this is not an ad break, but my debut album, Concrete Cuts by Miles Away, is coming out next Friday. And if you like the music that you hear in my videos and my demos, it would mean the world if you listen to this album. That's all I have for you today. No ad read, no sponsored stuff. Just, if you like my music and want to check it out, it's out now, and I'd appreciate you listening. Let's try to design something. This ended up not being very traditional, but I like how it sounds. This grungy keyboard patch I think is going to be the basis of a track, so let's see what we can come up with, and everything besides this patch will just be factory presets. Let's have some fun. Okay, let's see if we can find some sort of drum sound. That's a great sounding kick. All right, and we definitely need a bass next. Let's get one more element here, some sort of lead or keyboard sound. Let's get some pads just for the intro, and then I think we're good to go. that's where I'll leave it here today with Leviasynth and my unboxing and first impressions. Obviously, this is a super deep synth and I'm not even scratching the surface. The reason why I like making these videos is to give you an idea of what it would be like if you got your own Leviasynth. So if you do want to pick one up, affiliate links in the description below, and stay tuned for my full deep dive video soon on the Leviasynth. I shouldn't say too soon because honestly, I'm going to take some time to properly learn this whole thing. And once it's ready, it's ready. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Keep an eye out for my album dropping next week. You can pre-save it in the link below, and I will see you in the next video.